Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, and now open your English workbook and page number 7 और जो नॉलेज के क्वेश्चन हम स्टूडेंट्स लर्न करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारे प्लानर में था 1 to 10. लास्ट प्लानर में लेक्चर नंबर 6 में हमने 1 to 6 क्वेश्चन लर्न किए हुए हैं. आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 लर्न करेंगे. ओके, 1 to 6 तो हमने लर्न किए हुए हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स, इसलिए मैम आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 से करवाएंगी. Name the shortest surah of Quran, Surah Kausar. Name the shortest surah of Quran, Surah Kausar. Question 8. Name the longest surah of Quran, Surah Baqarah. Name the longest surah of Quran, Surah Baqarah. Question 9. How many paras are there in Holy Quran? 30 paras. How many paras are there in Holy Quran? 30 paras. Question 10. Animals and their babies. What is a cat's, dog's, horse and hen's baby called? Cat baby is called kitten. Dog baby is called puppy. Cow baby is called calf. Hen baby is called chick. Students, मैम के पीछे रिवाइज भी तो करते हैं ना. Okay students, and now open your page number 9. Conversational sentences हैं students. Okay, conversational questions हैं. Okay students, question number 1. What is your name? My name is, जो भी आपका नाम है आप बोलेंगे, ठीक है. Then students अपना नेम बोलेंगे, my name is. Okay. Then question 2. What is the name of your school? Dare Arqam High School. How old are you? Question 3. How old are you? I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. Question 4. In which class do you read? I read in nursery class. Question 5. In which country do you live? In Pakistan. Question 6. In which city do you live? I live in Badomali. Question 7. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Question 8. Meals. What is the meal of morning, afternoon and night called? The meal of morning is called breakfast. The meal of afternoon is called lunch. The meal of night is called dinner. And now conversational sentences, page number 10 open करें students. Okay, first sentence हमारा 1. What will you say if you want someone to help you? Please help me. 2. What will you say if you want someone to switch on the light? Switch on the light, please. 3. What will you say if you want someone to switch off the light? Switch off the light, please. 4. What will you say if you want someone to switch on the TV? Switch on the TV, please. 5. What will you say if you want someone to switch off the TV? Switch off the TV, please. 6. What will you say if you want someone to get aside? Please get aside. Question number 11. Okay students. 7. What will you say if you are hungry? I am hungry. 8. What will you say if you are thirsty? I am thirsty. 9. What will you say when you have done your work? I have done my work. 10. What will you say if you want someone to open the door? Please open the door. 11. What will you say if you want someone to shut the door? Please shut the door. 12. How will you ask about someone's health? How are you? Students, आज हमने conversational sentences और conversational phrases और क्वेश्चन लर्न किए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने घर में भी ऐसे ही लर्न करने हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, जैसे मैम ने आपको करवाए हैं. नाउ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी हैव फिनिश आवर रीडिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.